Do you spend time turning every product image into a LinkedIn post, writing headlines, feature bullets, and hashtags from scratch? Let's stop that. In this video, I'll show you the auto-generate LinkedIn posts workflow built with n8n. Let's see how it works. The workflow starts with a manual trigger where it continuously monitors a specific Google Drive folder. As soon as a new image is added, the trigger fires and kicks off a run. Next, it securely downloads the new file from Drive to process it in the next steps. Next, the image is uploaded to Cloudinary, which gives it a public secure URL. n8n uses that URL to embed the image and to pass it into the AI for analysis. Next, the workflow sends the Cloudinary URL to GPT-4o via the LLM chain. The prompt asks the model to produce a complete LinkedIn post that is a concise headline, an overview paragraph, key features, ideal users, a tech stack callout, and a block of relevant hashtags. The output is assembled as a mobile-friendly HTML email with inline CSS, so it renders cleanly in Gmail and Outlook. Finally, n8n delivers the finished post to your inbox. You'll receive an HTML email with the image on top, a headline, a short overview, feature bullets, an ideal user section, tech stack, and a hashtag list. If you rely on Drive for social assets, this can save you hours every week. You can download the exact workflow from the link in the description. If you found this valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. We'll be sharing more real-world automations like this. If you want us to tailor this flow to your use case, drop a comment with your requirements. See you in the next video.